Hey there, fellow art enthusiasts! Get ready to level up your drawing game because today I'm unleashing 13 mind-blowing drawing hacks that are absolute game changers. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just dipping your toes into the world of art, these tips are a must for your creative arsenal. So buckle up and prepare to be blown away. These tips and tricks will not only make your drawing process easier, but also help elevate your artwork to the next level. So let's dive right in. First up, have you ever struggled with keeping your drawing borders neat? Well, one simple hack is to use Scotch tape around the edges of your paper. This not only keeps your workspace tidy, but it also ensures that your artwork has clean, sharp borders. Just peel off the tape when you're done, and voila, a perfect finish. Now let's talk about erasing. Erasers are crucial in drawing, but did you know that a pen-shaped eraser can be your best friend? These are perfect for creating fine details or highlights in your drawings. They allow for precision, which is especially great when you're working on intricate parts of your artwork. Moving on, here's a hack for when you're drawing circular objects. Don't stress about getting a perfect circle freehand. Use things like lids, tapes, or any circular objects as templates. This will save you so much time and frustration. Another game changer is using a mirror to check your drawing's symmetry and proportions. Just place a mirror at the center or side of your drawing, and it will reveal a different perspective, helping you spot and correct any discrepancies immediately. Ever thought of using a grid? This is especially useful if you're working on large drawings or need to maintain proportion over a detailed piece. You can lightly sketch a grid on your drawing or use a transparent grid overlay. This breaks down complex subjects into manageable parts, making it easier to focus on one segment at a time. Now let's keep your pencils sharp and your workspace clean. A simple hack is to keep a small sandpaper block at your desk. This allows you to sharpen your pencils quickly and keep the tips just as you need them without creating a mess. Also, did you know that your leftover coffee can be a great resource? Yes, you heard that right. You can use coffee to add a unique texture and shading to your drawings. This not only recycles your coffee but gives your artwork an amazing sepia effect. For those who struggle with smudges, try placing a clean sheet of paper under your drawing hand. This not only protects your drawing from unwanted smears, but also keeps your hand clean. Speaking of clean, it's important to maintain the cleanliness of your drawing tools as well. Always wipe your erasers on a clean cloth after use to avoid transferring old graphite onto your new drawings. Now for a quick tip on perspective drawing, use your pencil as a guide. Hold it up to align with lines in your subject or environment to visually measure angles and lines. This will help you achieve a more accurate perspective in your sketches. And here's a fun one. Use your old toothbrush for splattering paint. This technique is perfect for creating textured effects like stars in a night sky or dirt in a landscape. If you're looking to add some character to your drawings, why not play with light? Using different light sources can dramatically change the mood of your artwork. Experiment with side lighting, backlighting, or even candlelight to see how it transforms your piece. Lastly, don't forget to take breaks. It's crucial not to overstrain your eyes or hands. Stretch regularly and give yourself a moment to step back and review your work with fresh eyes. I trust these hacks ignite your creative spark and propel you forward in your drawing journey. Just remember, every artist starts somewhere, and progress is all about taking those small steps forward. I'd love to hear your thoughts on these videos, so drop a comment below and let me know what you're eager to explore next. And hey, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow art enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button for more enriching content like this. Until next time, keep those pencils moving, stay inspired, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy drawing!